In this video, we'll come to know how to add or remove these widgets in sidebar, right? So these are the widgets. So you can see there are different options like recent post, recent comment, archives, categories, meta, right? So it is up to you which part you want to show or which part you want to remove. So again, we are going to our backend part, and here come to appearance. Under appearance, you have to click on widgets option, right? So this is the widgets option. So here, after clicking that one, so these are the elements which are appearing in the sidebar. For example, we don't want meta, that means directly you can log in at the front side to your backend part. So that we don't want, right? So from here you will be deleting this one, and categories if you want to keep, otherwise you can remove the categories also. So just let it be. Like archives will be removing, so just click on delete. Recent comment you can also delete, so like this we have deleted, right? So only three elements are there, and from here the additional element you can add it and you can show it to the sidebar, right? For example, you want to add calendar, or you want to show calendar or gallery, right, or any image. So certainly you can select on this one, or you can also say show audio as well. So just we want to select this calendar. For selecting this calendar, click on this one and click add to widgets, right? So if you want to keep the title for this one, you can keep it, otherwise certainly just you click on done option, right? So that we have done now, and now we'll be looking for that one. So come to your about us page. So this is about us page. As we can see earlier, this is coming like meta, categories, archives. So that will be we have removed. So simply just you refresh this page. Okay, so now here we can see the additional widget. We have added a calendar, categories, and recent posts, and rest of the element we have removed. So like that way you can work on, you can add widgets and you can remove the widgets as well.